All right, we are at Ellis Island. Let's have breakfast and see where to start the day. So, Ellis Island is, I always hear people say, uh, that's a loud bird. Lost my train of thought real quick. So, there's like, people say this it's the most cheapest casino to eat at. I'm interested to find out if it is. I've always wanted to get on that wheel. I haven't had time. One day I'm going to. So this is the entrance. It's pretty cool. So for breakfast, decided to have the steak and egg at Ellis Island. So there's a trick, right? I'll tell you the trick. So this is the menu. This is the menu here. They have ham, steak, and egg. I will try that next. They have the corned beef hash skillet. These are like $10, $11, $9. But if you come here, you can ask your waiter for the special. Is usually they'll give it to the locals. So the locals, they'll give you like a $7.99 steak and egg. And it is also, because I don't want to advertise gambling or anything gambling on my channel, if you come in and you gamble, there's a special card you'll get and stuff that will lower your meal to, $7.99. I'm not interested in that, but this is the food I got. It's pretty dope, and that's for $7.99 breakfast. I'm gonna give it a try. Stay here for dinner later, because they have huge steak. That's pretty good. Honestly, it's just breakfast. I didn't expect it to be like a prime or anything big. Yeah, it was fine, thank you. I didn't expect anything big because it's just breakfast. It's like you're paying $7.99. You should expect it to be some red cut. It's good for breakfast. Like if you're just having breakfast, you're coming in for something quick, go ahead. There's no reason to spend, $20 for breakfast. I mean, if you want to. For example, one of the places I'm going to later on is called Mon Ami Gabi. It's real nice. There's guarantee you're gonna walk out of there with $40, $50 even by yourself. This is simple. It saves you money, and you start the day off, and then you get something heavier. So the potato's good. The eggs need some salt, but that's why they have that for you. What's the funny thing about being a YouTuber is everybody's watching you and they're like, what are you doing? I'm not taking a picture of you. So I'm gonna have breakfast and then we'll come back here later for dinner. The dinner is what I'm interested in. It's supposed to be one of the best steak for his price. So I'm gonna enjoy this and we'll talk later. All right, so this is the King Prime cut steak. I get a lot of people tell me that I should have come here. I've never been here before, so let's get a taste. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Yeah, this is good. Okay, I'll show you. Get a load of that. It's very delicious. So, I always see people on Facebook, they will post a video, a picture, saying how good the steak is. It's unbelievable. I mean, it's not like steakhouse great, but it's kind of like way better than golden corral grade. Yeah. Amazing. So the steak came with soup. I'm not really interested in the soup. I'm interested in the steak. Okay. It's a good soup. It's a good soup. Oh yeah. I've had soup for like a few days now because I was sick. So I'm not really, you know. But this steak, I will come here every single day from now on. Like every time I'm in Vegas, I have to eat here. Let's try it's the mashed potato. Okay, so thank you. The gravy is the best gravy. Okay, no lie. This is the best gravy I've ever had with any mashed potato. And I'm a fan of gravy. Like, you know, being from Africa, gravy goes with a lot of stuff too, but this is there's no point of giving me this because the steak is just good by itself. Let's try the green beans. Yeah. It's good. The seasoning on the green bean is really good. It's really good. I'm just not too big of a green bean person. I mean, look at this. Look how big that is. Paying $22 for that. So if you're really, really hungry, I mean you're super hungry, this fills you up. My only mistake, I'm eating this at night. I'm not supposed to be eating at night, so. But overall, oh, this is fucking awesome. Excuse my language. This is good. That's how good it is. So there's other stuff on the menu. Maybe we'll try that. It is perfect. Perfect steak. On the menu, there's chicken fried steak, wild Alaska salmon, grilled chicken. Oh, and there's a New York steak and fried shrimp. Maybe you will try that for dinner tomorrow. But overall, first time here, I love it. And I know my motto is, if I don't like a place, I won't put them on my video. That's honest truth. I don't like to give places bad name. If I don't like the food, I just won't post a video about it. But I'm gonna be honest and say, there's other places I've ate at and I haven't edited those videos yet. So if you're watching this and I've already been to your place, don't be offended. I will actually let you know that I'm not gonna use your video. But if I haven't posted it, it's not either. But back to the steak. Everyone here is looking at me like I'm crazy because I'm the only one here with a camera, but it doesn't matter. This is amazing. This is amazing. And I thought if when people say come to this place, they were joking, because a lot of people don't know good steak. This is good steak. This is really good. Ah, it's amazing. All right, I'm gonna finish this meal. Then I'm gonna take a walk around the strip. Let's go see what else is out here. Let's get this trip started.